Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. It's a sunny morning here sa ating rooftop, and one succulent in particular has caught my attention today, and ito nga yung ating Sedum clavatum. Tingnan nyo naman, 'di ba? Talagang overflowing na yung ating clavatum sa kanyang pinaka-pot, and it seems like it's gonna be the perfect time for us to repot itong ating clavatum. Kasi nga, this year, I think, 2 beses na tayo nag-repot sa kanya. But, ngayon, we have to repot it again kasi ang bilis niya talagang lumaki and dumami. Look at those new offsets. Ayan o, talagang literally they are just growing sa stem. And later this afternoon, we will be repotting this. Usually kasi when I do repot my succulents, I do it in the late afternoon or during a cloudy day as I'm trying to avoid nga yung ating sunlight. And so later, join me in repotting this Sedum clavatum. Yan, so it's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Ganito ang kanyang itsura under low light. So I think we can finally see the detail nung kanyang leaves and rosette since hindi masyadong maliwanag. Let me give you a 360-degree view nitong ating Sedum clavatum so that you can also see yung nandito sa mga likod na part. Talagang yung mga stems natin are actually trailing out from the pot, and kailangan na natin siyang i-repot kasi nga wala na talagang space yung mga nasa pinakaloob to grow, and sayang naman 'di ba kung masisira lang sila because of too crowded na sa loob. Yung pot size pala na ginamit ko here is parang 6 inches in diameter, then yung height niya is parang 3.5 inches. Isa ito sa succulents na favorite ko kasi napakadali niyang alagaan and padamihin. But of course, that's all based on my experience. Kasi I know na yung iba talagang nahihirapan din na palakihin or alagaan itong ating Sedum clavatum. Sa ngayon, mapapansin niyo na medyo stressed na yung kanyang leaves, yung parang nagpipinkish red na sa kanyang tips. That is yung kanyang stress na color, and I'm really hoping na in this colder months, talagang mas maging pinkish pa yung kanyang pinaka tips. In addition pala, I have itong mga propagation na ito. So, kung gaano kalaki yung ating Sedum clavatum, in fact, I have already removed about parang 8 cuttings nung ating clavatum, and ito na nga sila ngayon. I'm just showing you 2 pots, but I have about 8 pots in total ng ating mga propagation ng ating Sedum clavatum. That's why I have mentioned earlier na sobrang dali niyang alagaan. And so now, let's try. Now that our soil mix is ready, ang problem naman natin ngayon is paano ba natin siya tatanggalin dito sa kanyang pinaka pot. So, it's quite heavy. Parang 2 kilograms na yung kanyang weight. So this is the first time that I'm gonna be doing this. I hope it will work. We could assume na root bound na siya, hoping na talagang humiwalay siya dito sa ating plastic pot. And mukhang hindi niya tayo pinahirapan. Look at that, diba? Perfectly shaped yung ating soil. Talagang root bound na itong ating Sedum clavatum. I was thinking na mahirapan tayo, pero hindi. It's the other way around and it's good. Now we can finally continue repotting it. So ang gagawin lang natin is just literally, I will be putting itong ating Sedum clavatum on top of our soil mix na prepare. But I guess we need to add more kasi masyado pang mababa. Ayan. So I think that's enough. We are finally done repotting our Sedum clavatum and hopefully wala na tayong maging problema in the next coming days since hindi naman tayo nagpalit ng kanyang old soil kaya hindi na mahihirapan yung ating Sedum clavatum na mag-adjust. Itong mga leaf propagation na yan, let's just put it dito sa harapan. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed yung ating repotting session for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page, A Desert Succulent PH.